Hello guys. I've really been meaning to dye my hair for a while now, and I've been looking for the best products that would not require me using any bleach or going the whole 9 yards. Just something simple and that would look nice, right? So I found this product from Target, Dark and Lovely, and I think you can find it on Amazon too, right? So I will check, and if I see, I'll just link down below. So it looks nice. I've used it before one time, but I didn't stay up to the time they recommend that you stay for like 30 minutes. Put it on for 30 minutes. I was on it for like 15 minutes and then I washed it off, right? So I can't say anything based on that short amount of time I used it. So now I'm going to be trying it, and I'm going to keep it on for the right amount of time. I want to see if my hair comes out dyed. This is it's a natural hair. You see that I don't want to use any bleach, and I want to achieve this ginger red color. So I'm going to show you guys how everything unfolds. So come with me. At the bottom we also have this. So you're gonna be mixing this into this, okay? And that's all you need to do. So look at me looking like a science student. And then it is easy at home and no mess, absolutely no mess. So I think this is great. It turned out good. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Becky Braids, and over here we bring you lovely reviews of beautiful products, and you can make your choice. Bye.